Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard. First, gather your ingredients. 500 milliliters of full-fat milk, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, and a few drops of vanilla essence. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the base. In a small bowl, take 2 tablespoons of custard powder and mix it with about 1/4 cup of cold milk until completely smooth. This prevents lumps later. Meanwhile, heat the remaining 400 milliliters of milk with 4 tablespoons of sugar in a heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium heat. Once the milk is warm and the sugar dissolved, slowly pour in the custard powder mixture while continuously stirring. Keep stirring for about 5 to 7 minutes over medium-low heat. The custard will gradually thicken. Look for a consistency that coats the back of a spoon, indicating it's perfectly cooked. After cooking, remove the custard from the heat and stir in a few drops of vanilla essence for flavor. To prevent a skin from forming, place cling film directly onto the surface of the hot custard. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Serve chilled with your favorite fruits or desserts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.